It's the surface of the sun. What you got there, babe?
Morning cup of coffee.
Yep.
Energized.
Energized. There it is. Oh, good God. I'm watching you, buddy. Oh boy, here we go. Here's what I'm talking about. He's gonna drop that ball, or he's just gonna look at me. God, he loves that ball so much. And there's that stare. All right. So we're about to do. I know what you want. I see it. I'm trying to talk to the people. The people want to hear what I have to say. Oh my God. Hang on a second. So we're doing a Havasu run. It's not like the Kessel run. It's a little bit different where we're going to Heather's hometown. Hold, please. Give me the ball. I know how this works. So it's Heather's hometown, Lake Havasu. We're running a pool table up there to assemble at her grandmother's house up there. I love Havasu. The drive, if we're going the way that we went last time, is unbelievable. It's one of my favorite drives that I've done in America. And I've driven from Florida to Seattle and cut through the southern half of the state. But once we get there, for anyone who's never been there before, it's almost like a different planet. It's like being on Mars, but with boats and people that like to party. It's where people from both Arizona and California come together and vacation. It's on the southern western point where one side of the lake is Arizona, the other side is California, the Havasu run. And that's what we're gonna do. Okay, Digger, I'll throw the ball. Give me it. To give you an idea of the dogs, here's the hierarchy. That's Chili Dog over there. She's the alpha. And then we got Digger. A bit of a different kind of dog. And you see his cute little ear to the side? That's because he decided to get in that dog's way. She put him in his place. And then we have a dog that I have an absolute soft spot for. We got Tango. Tango is such a good boy. He's a big boy. He's a gentle giant. He's not very fast. Take this ball. I'm gonna toss it to him because he's a good boy. There you go. Such a good boy. One shot for the road.
Morning coffee.
One morning coffee shot.
Another cup of coffee.
Mm-hmm. So, in Havasu, if you want to dress the way, sunglasses, tank tops, bathing suits, always do not take off your bathing suit. You'll get arrested. The saying for Havasu is, come on vacation, leave on probation. We don't want that. We want to have fun right until we're about to get to that point, and then you have to stop. But enjoy until you get to that point, because it's fucking worth it.